Hey, what's up you guys? I'm back with another action figure unboxing video. You know the style of video. I've got 3 packages I ordered for myself a long time ago, and I don't know exactly the order of them. So, without further ado, let's get to it and crack these things open. Alright. Oh, sick. Wow. This thing looks really good. So this is the Demogoblin, or Demogoblin. Not sure exactly how you say it, but wow. So this is essentially the Hobgoblin when he's like made a deal with a demon or something. Oh, jeez. I love the way his feet fit into that glider. Wow. Did he come with a pumpkin bomb? Oh, I thought he came with a pumpkin bomb. Okay, that kind of sucks. But, yeah, look at the texture detail on this guy. Man, this is a great looking figure. And the glider is sick. And it comes with this awesome stand that you can apparently use like 3 ways. So let's try that out. Oh, that's really hard to pour it in. Very stiff. Okay. Not bad. Now I can finally have glide-in. That looks so cool. And I'm sure I can use this stand with a few other things. Doesn't seem that versatile, but you never know. So that was a really good figure. Sucks he didn't come with a pumpkin bomb. I could have swore he's supposed to come with a pumpkin bomb. But that face, oh man, that looks great. I love it. Okay. So I'll set him down there. And let's get into the second one. I didn't think that was a loose package. I guess it was really small, but... Alright. Okay. Invoice. Here we have the Spider-Man animated series Green Goblin with Norman Osborn head sculpt. I was a bit hesitant to get this guy in the beginning because the eyes really kind of bug me, but I think I decided I'm just gonna either leave the Norman Osborn face sculpt on or actually opt to customize this with the proper just tiny dot eyes, because overall the rest of it is great. Like, it's the animated series style, it's textured the same as this Demogoblin. Convenient, I opened 2 goblins together. But he's got that same like scale texturing on the armor, the goblin armor. So the only thing was really the eyes kind of bothered me. But actually having it in hand, yeah, it does still look a bit like a fish. But at least he comes with an alternate head, so you don't have to have the goblin mask on. Even in the literally on the art on the back, he's got the dot eyes. And even on the one on the side, he's got dot eyes. I don't understand why they made him so big and bulbous there, but I've got in package retro animated series Green Goblin, so still really happy with that. Just the head sculpt is questionable, but it's all right. So 2 really good packages so far. Let's see what this last one is. Let's see how to open this. Oh. This box is weird. Alright. Oh! Yeah! Man, I ordered this guy so long ago, I almost forgot about him. But, oh, I can't wait to show you. It's Star-Lord, man. How can I forget Star-Lord? My Guardians display isn't complete without him. I finally have him. So I ordered this guy 3 times. I ordered him once. It was paid for and everything, and then it was like refunded, and I was like, what the heck? So then I ordered him again, and then it was like the same thing. It was like paid for, and then it was like refunded. I was like, what the heck is going on? I don't understand why the world didn't want me to have Star-Lord. So this was the 3rd try, and I think I ended up getting him from Australia because there was like problems getting him from the States at the time, probably due to all the tariffs. Like, oh my god, I got so much import taxes on all these freaking online ordered action figures from the States. But so this guy finally came in from Australia, and yeah, it looks like it's gonna be a good one. You can't see into the package, obviously, with it's being cardboard, but it looks like it's a good figure. He doesn't come with a ton of accessories. He comes with the blasters and the Cosmo piece, but I think that's the last Cosmo piece I need. Okay, no, I'll be short 2 pieces, but I finally have my Guardians of the Galaxy complete. Alright, so this was actually a really good haul. Oh. Did I knock stuff down? I knocked one figure, that's not too bad. But yeah, I was really happy with this action figure haul today. It was funny, I opened 2 goblins together. And I again wore my Spider-Man shirt opening Spider-Man figures, so that was good. If you like this video, hit the like button. Hit the notification bell so you stay up to date on everything Marvel Legends coming from me. And hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my content. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.